How to get voice chat in Rec Room. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to launch the Rec Room. Enter a login credential as in your username and the password, and simply log into a specific account. You will land on this home page once you are logged in. So once you are in here, you simply have to head over to menu and then head over to settings. Inside settings, tons of different options will be available to you. You can see controls, experience, visuals, audio, and many more. As we're looking on how to get the voice chat, you have to head over to audio. Inside audio, you will see microphone. And inside that, 3 different options will be available to you. If you click on always on, your voice chat will be enabled all the time. And if you set to push to talk, you have to click on the mic icon in order to talk. So you can set whichever option that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to get voice chat on Rec Room. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.